Want to embed an X formerly Twitter post in Elementor? Here's how. Step 1. Install the custom iframe plugin. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Custom iframe by Coder Studio. Click Install Now, then Activate. Step 2. Get the X post link. Open X and find the post you want to embed. Click on the share icon of the post. Click on Copy Link. Step 3. Embed the post in a site page. Open the page in Elementor where you want to embed the X post. Search for Custom iframe and drag and drop the widget onto Elementor Editor area. In the widget settings, paste the copied X post URL into the source URL field. Step 4. Customize the widget settings. Set up height, smart load, style width, borders, box shadow of the X post to match your site's design. Finally, save your changes. Click Update, and that's done. Your X post is live on your site. Check caption to get doc guide and important links. Embedding X posts is simple with custom iframe plugin by Coder Studio.